Number one, you're going to fill in the values for the characteristics of this quadratic function. First of all, we're going to look at the domain. So here, the domain, the fact that there are arrows on both sides, we know that it goes from negative infinity all the way to positive infinity. So the domain here would be parentheses, negative infinity, comma, positive infinity. Those are all your x values, so that makes it the domain. The range, okay? Notice that the range, it touches this point there, and that point looks like that is 4. And then it goes all the way down to the arrow. So it goes from 4 all the way down to negative infinity. So when we write that, we want to make sure we write the lowest value first. So that it's going to be negative infinity, comma. Then it goes all the way up to that value of 4. And then we put a bracket here at that 4 because it touches the 4. Next, let's look at the x-intercept. The x-intercepts are located right here at 3, 0, and right here at 1, 0. So we can put that there, 3, 0, and also 1, 0. The y-intercept is the location that the axis crosses the y-axis, and that is at 0, 3. Now we look for the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is the equation that cuts it down straight down that middle. So that's going to be x is equal to -1. That also gets us our vertex. Our vertex is located right here, which is that point -1, comma, to that range value of 4. So the vertex is at -1, 4. That is the highest point, so we will consider that the maximum. Now let's take a look at the interval of increasing and decreasing. So notice that here it is increasing from negative infinity all the way to -1. So negative infinity all the way to -1. Then it starts decreasing here from -1 all the way to positive infinity. Okay. Next, we look at the end behavior. The left arm is pointing down. So the y is going towards negative infinity, and the right arm is also pointing down, which just means it's also pointing towards negative infinity. So there you go. This is the characteristics for this quadratic function.